The power cord is a 2-wire, 16-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle from the tool. Now remove the cord wires. The black wire from the switch, and the white wire from the terminal. And then I'll pull the cord out of the strain relief. Now I can begin installing the new cord. The first thing I need to do is prep the wires. I'll cut the wires to length using the old cord as a template. The black wire has an eyelet on it, so make sure you leave enough wire so you can crimp a new eyelet in place. On the black wire, I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation and about 3/8 on the white wire. And I'll crimp a new eyelet onto the black wire. Now I'll reinstall the cord protector, and I'll place the cord back into the housing. First I'll align the cord protector with the housing, then I'll pull the cord back so I have about 1/4 or 3/8 of an inch of the insulation extending past the cord clamp, and then I can reinstall the cord clamp. I'll place the white wire back into the terminal and secure it. And I'll reattach the black wire. And I'll bend the eyelet up just like it was on the old cord. Now I'll place the switch back into the housing and take a minute to tuck the wires out of the way so they don't get pinched when we reinstall the handle. Now I can reinstall the handle and secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new power cord on your power tools. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.